Welcome to the Theclastyle, my friends.
Here we are speaking about bedding, and we are speaking about the fitted sheet. Now this is your bed made up, where you have your pillows and your scatter cushions and all the lovely accessories on your bed. Now under this is your fitted sheet, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. This is the head of the bed where your pillows are, and this is going to be called the length where you lie coming down. This is your width coming across. So I have a diagram here, and this is going to be your mattress. This is how your mattress looks. Now the mattress has a length, which is the longest side, and it has a width. The length is where you would put your pillows here at the head of the bed where your headboard is. So it's the length, and this is the width, and this on the side is how thick your mattress may be. Now all mattresses comes in all different sizes. Your bed may have a particular size, so what we are going to do is show you how you can construct your own customized mattress instead of having a store-bought one. And sometimes they don't always fit our mattress. So the measurements we're going to be working out, we're working with a length, a depth or thickness of the mattress, that's this, how thick it is. A tuck allowance, which we must have, it goes under the bed to hug the mattress in place. And we have a casing. The casing may also differ, it may be 1/2 inch twice or 3/4 inch twice. And then we'll have our finished cut length. Also with the width is the same thing. You have the width, the depth, the tuck, the casing, and the cut. The whole cut width that we will be cutting. So we'll put the length of our mattress, we'll put the depth of the mattress, and the depth of the mattress, guys, is by 2, because here what? You have 2 sides on your mattress. You'll have one side on the left, one side on the right. You also have the widths, 2 widths, one side on the right, one side on the left. So remember, these measurements, the length is by 1, but the depths are always by 2. And then after the tuck allowance is also by 2 because it's 2 sides to the bed. We have an under casing, and that is a 1/2 inch twice or a 3/4 inch twice. This casing is for elastic to run through. So let's work out some measurements, guys. This particular measurement we're using, this is for a double-decker size bed. It's a 36 inches width. The length of the mattress is 78. The thickness of the mattress is 6 inches. And because it's 2 sides, it's 6 by 2. And our tuck allowance is 4. It's 4 by 2. Our width is 36 inches. Our thickness is 6, and it's 6 by 2. Our tuck allowance is 4, it's 4 by 2, and our casing 1/2 inch twice. So here we add up the measurements. This is the length, this is the 78, 6 inches twice, that's 12, 4 inches twice, that's 8, and 1 inch for the casing, we get 99 inches. We have 36 plus the 12 plus the 8 plus the 1, that's 57 inches. And this is our cut length, 99 by 57 inches. Showing you on this section with the fitted sheet, this is our existing flat sheet. It was ready-made. It was bought from a store. You see the tag on it. And I'm going to convert it into a fitted sheet because it's a double-decker, and we want 2 fitted sheets on the double-decker. So what I did, I'm going to show you another way to cut out the fabric instead of opening the whole fabric out. You fold the fabric in half. So it's in half. That's the fold there. Let me open it up to show you. And if I open this section up, I get a whole piece of fabric. So sometimes you don't have the space to cut, and you're just working with a little table or something, so you can fold the fabric in half like that. In this case, right now my workroom is under construction, so it's cut out to the measurement I want, and what I'm going to do now is to get my box squared here to fit the side of the bed. This is also a fitted sheet here to fit the side of the bed here, of the mattress. It's folded in half. This is the length. This is on the fold. This is also on the fold. This is the length, and this is the bed width, or the mattress width. This is the depth. This is the tuck. Again, this is the depth. This is the tuck. We have our casing on the sides. Now from here to here is the exact mattress measurement in half. So this is the half measurement. So if it was 60 inches, it's now going to be 30 inches from here to here because it's folded in half. If the length was 80, it's now going to be 40, right? So what we're going to determine now is our sides here. This is the important part to get our side measurements for the fitted. So for this measurement, we are only using one depth and one tuck. In this case, our measurement will be the measurement of the mattress, which is 6 inches, the tuck allowance, and the hem allowance, the extension. So you square it. Remember, again, you come ½ inch on the inside. This is your cut. That's your cut mark. That's your seam allowance for your front seam. And this is the line that you're cutting. And of course, you remember how I did the corners with the front seam, stitch on the right side and then on the wrong side. So this is your corners. So we're now going to put it together. How it looks. You will take the sides, bring them both together. On the right side, this is your ½ inch seam allowance. You will come at least quarter of that and pin it down and machine stitch. Trim the excess close to the stitch line and then turn over on the wrong side and do that the other side.
So I've stitched it on my machine and I'm going to trim it very close to the stitch line, not getting my stitches clipped with the scissors. Turn it over on the wrong side and you will have your original ½ inch seam allowance line. Then you stitch on that. Make sure when you press it first though, you know I always emphasize on pressing. So I've pinned it in place and I'm going to take it to my machine and stitch that in place. Once it's stitched in place, again, you do all the other sides and proceed to hem. Now remember, I have a double ½ inch hem that I'll be using, so I'll be stitching that in place. Now guys, coming to towards the end of this, I lost the footage, so I have to use the footage for the other video that I had. So I'm just stitching this in place, and normally I would leave a little space to insert my elastic, or you have the option to rip. But I'm going to show you a clip from the other video how I measure for the elastic.
So the final step to this is it's already sewn. This is the corners that makes up the corner of the mattress. So on a king size and a queen size or full, the normal measurement will be 16 inches from the corner stitch on either side, and you will just mark. You can just put a pin 16 inches on either side of your corner stitch. So you measure 16 inches, which will be 32 inches span. So this is the span we're working with. Remember, it's from the corner. 16 from the corner on one side, 16 from the corner on the other side. and that's on a normal, like I said, a bed. But since we are doing a crib sheet, which is a lot smaller, I'm not going 16 inches. It's up to you, but I'm not going 16 inches. I'm just going to use 10 inches. So I'm measuring from the corner 10 inches. I'm marking it, and what I will do is just use my ripper and remove couple stitches so that my elastic can go through into the casing to come through to the other side. So I've already done that. Or another way you can do it, you can stitch, skip, and continue on, leaving the access hole on either side, which I have already done. So I have my holes in place. The other step is to measure your elastic. How are you going to measure elastic? You're going to hold the measure elastic to one point and stretch it like this. You're stretching it. So it's not going flat inside. It must stretch. But you're not going to stretch it so that this is going to crumple up. You're going to stretch it so that it fits nice and snug in between. So it's to the other point, and when you get the measurement you want, remember it's going to be shorter than, you just cut 4 pieces of that. So which we're going to do now.
Now remember guys, some of my footage got messed up, so I have to, you know, use another clip. So these are my elastic threader. They come in different sizes, and you can use the elastic threader. You just push the elastic through and insert the tip of the elastic threader into the casing and pull it right through. I love to use this. Or you have the option to use our normal safety pin. So we just insert the safety pin into the casing and pull it through to the end. Make sure and secure the ends though, and we will take it back to the machine and tack those in place. Now guys, back to the piece that was not messed up. So the elastic is in, and I'm just going to close up the hole that I inserted the pin through, and it's finished. You do all of the other 3 sides, and we are going to dress the bed, and you'll see how lovely it fits, and we get a perfect fit every time with this. Make sure it's stacked nicely because the elastic can become undone. So here it is guys, this is the bottom bunk. It's for the younger baby, and we also installed a netting around for the younger boy, and the top bunk is for the older brother, and it turned out so nice. It fits perfectly. You get a perfect fit every time. And stay tuned guys for the next piece to this, where I will show you how I made a toddler's girl fitted sheet. So I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you next time guys. Bye for now, and I'll catch you later.